We are learning about letter sound combinations for long vowel sound A. So this is when you hear the sound A in a word. When you hear the A sound in a word, it might be made with the letters AY, or it might be made with the letters AI, or it could be made with the letters EY, or it might be a split vowel digraph. That means that there is a vowel and then a consonant and then another vowel, like an A split vowel E. When you hear the long vowel sound A in a word, that's when it says its name, it could be written with the letters AY, like in the word hey, say, lay, or today. In all of those words, the long vowel A sound is made with the letters AY. Sometimes when you hear the long vowel A sound, that's when A says its name, it might be made with the letters AI, like in the words rain, drain, vein, and train. In all of these words, when we get to the sound here, rain, the A says its name and it's made with an AI. Sometimes the long vowel A sound in a word is made with an EY, like the words grey, they, pray, and obey. All of these words you can hear an A sound in them, and the A sound is made with the letters EY in these words. And the final way that we can make the A sound in a word is with what we call a split vowel digraph. That means that there is a vowel, and then there's another letter, a consonant, and then another vowel. In this case, it's A, then a consonant, and E. That makes the A sound. Sometimes we call this magic E. When we see E on the end of a word, we usually know that it flips the sound of the vowel before it. So instead of A making an eh sound, the E will make it, say, the long vowel sound of A. Like in the words made. Here you can see that the A, when we sound it out, made, A says its name, the long vowel sound, and it's the E that makes it say its name. Another example is grave, grave, and also the word lake. All of these make the long A vowel sound because of the split vowel digraph. So in summary, today we've talked about ways that we can write the long vowel A sound. So that's when you hear A saying its name in a word. You might write it using AY, like the word day. You might write it using AI, like the word rain. You might write it using EY, like the word they. Or you might write it using the split vowel digraph, A, a consonant, and then E, like the word lake.